Thanks for signing up. I hope you're super ready and you're super pumped to build your ultimate body, because I know it can help you out, and I'm looking forward to seeing your results at the end of this course. I just want to introduce you and show you what's involved with the course before we get started. Okay, so we've broken them down into a few sections, and I'll just go through them one by one and just explain a little bit about what's involved in each section. Alright, section 1 is all about motivation and setting your goals. So what happens is most people, they don't set goals and they don't set them right, and then it sets them up for failure right from the start. So what we're going to do is we're going to help you set those goals right, and we're going to go from there and carry on through the course and set you up on the right path. So if we get our goals right, we'll make sure that everything else comes in right as well. Alright, so in section 2, we're going to introduce you to what's called the fast track system. Okay, so this is a system that I've set up for myself and my clients, and what we're going to do is we're going to set you up on the system. We're going to show you how the body works, and we're going to show you how you can manipulate your food intake so you can get those awesome results quick and fast. Okay, section 3 is nutrition is key. So most people, they struggle with their nutrition. So what we've done in this course is that we've put a huge focus on getting that nutrition aspect right from the start. So what we're going to do is we're going to explain to you the benefits of eating protein, carbohydrates, fats, fibers, sugar, water, all those good things that are involved in nutrition, and we're going to show you how you can manipulate the intake of these foods so you can build that ultimate body that you've been looking for. Also in this section, we're going to show you how to set up an eating schedule that will fit your lifestyle. So if you're a person that works out in the morning, there's a different workout schedule and an eating schedule compared to somebody who would work out during the middle of the day or late at night. So you can learn each one of these eating schedules, and you can use them and pick and choose which one you would like depending on the day that you're doing your exercise, or even if you're resting. So we've got you covered there. Alright, section 4 is exercise blueprint. So in this section we tell you the do's and the don'ts of exercise and training, the correct warm-up techniques, how to set up an exercise program for your goals, how to cool down properly, and how to carry out stretching so that you can stay flexible and achieve that awesome body. Alright, section 5 is success tracking. In this section, we're going to show you why people struggle to get results and what you can do to avoid these results and build the ultimate body.